You can see these are ozone soap, like you can see these are new ways of making ozone soap. And then you can see that we have a lot of recipe, papaya, a lot. You just can name them. Check it out. Take a look, take a close look, You can see. And you can place your order now. Just place your order. And you need anything organic. If it is Promixing, organic, we have all of them. Okay, look at this big swags. You can see this big swag. Look at this soap serum, to enhance your soap. As a matter of fact, a lot of people they be asking me soap serum, so I just how about this carrot white? You can see this. How about this carrot oil? This carrot oil is original. Just place your order. It's original. Place your order. Everything you want us, anything you want, we have them. We supply. I can supply you too. I supply them. So you can just, the number on your screen you can use, the number on your screen you can use to contact us. You see this cocoa butter. Look at this cocoa butter. It's original also. It's original. As a matter of fact, it's original. Look at it. A lot of people, they be asking me, how do I get all these things? I laugh again and again. You see, cocoa butter. You see this? Okay, look, this bioeclat. You see? It's original. A lot of people, they don't know original of these things. It's original. Trust me, original. Just place your order. Look at the jojoba oil. Original. Place your order now. Jojoba oil. Original. I have a lot of original stuff. That, no doubt, all I just need you to understand is we sell original. Okay, look at this Latino milk. You understand? People, they be asking me, how do I get this Latino milk? And say, is that for real? You asking me this? He said, no, don't blame us, because what we'll be getting is fake. Yes, you can get it fake. Okay, see this sim white? You see this sim white powder is, if you want your, let me not say this. Okay, tell them you want to get the best whitening soap first. Use this sim white. Oh God, this powder is better. Okay, you can see your blue waters. I like this blue waters. Retalk. I like this blue water because a lot of people be asking me. Okay, also this kojic. You see this soap? The rainy soap. Okay, look at your T3 soap is out, T3 soap.
Yellow sissy. This cream does what it promises, which is to give you an amazing result, a well-moisturized skin in 14 days. You heard me right. You can get your uniform skin, yellow undertone, beautiful, amazing skin, better than I am looking in 14 days. What do you have to do? Just call the number on the screen and make your order. We'll ship everywhere to you wherever you are. This is for guys and for females. Make sure you don't miss it. Get your results as you